Today's word is gild. It's a verb that means to cover with a thin layer of gold or to make something appear more appealing, perhaps by deceit. So on the gold side, we could imagine an old theater with this beautiful shining gold ceiling, or the frames that go around old oil paintings that are covered in gold leaf. That ceiling and those frames are gilded. And here we can think of how the word gild sounds a lot like gold, which is literally what it's about. We could also think of gilding in terms of making something more appealing. So we could imagine a boss gilding some critical feedback to an employee. Maybe the boss is worried about the employee coming in late and they say, "Hey, I love that you're so busy and you've taken so much initiative outside of work, but it would be great if you could come on time." Here, the boss has gilded the criticism with some layers of flattery. Gild, it means to cover with a thin layer of gold or to make appear more appealing, perhaps deceitfully. Subscribe for more Word of the Day videos and check out our other free GRE resources in the description below.